welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hi.
I love this girl. She is amazing. I'm going to be putting her links down below. So if you are not subscribed, go show her some love and subscribe. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell ding to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now, girl, I invited you over because I really wanted to do a challenge video, and this is a new challenge. We have never done this before. This is going to be the princess cake decorating challenge. We're gonna make princess cakes.
I'm so excited, and you said that we're gonna be making them of each other.
Yes, so I got these two dolls, and we're gonna be making them to look like each other. I got this idea because, do you remember when we made that potato video? Justine got this idea. She brought over two potatoes.
So this was like a last minute idea. We were shooting the next day, and I was like, I don't have any ideas. Oh, how about we carve our faces into potatoes? Like, what? You know what's weird? I don't know why that challenge never took off.
No, the Merrill twins did it.
Wait, really?
Yes, I made it.
Oh my gosh.
We made it.
This is gonna be really exciting because I've never made a princess cake before.
Okay, so I sent you one of these pans.
And I haven't opened it yet.
I didn't think you had opened it yet.
No,
so I'm
I
gonna
didn't.
teach you how to put it together.
I can't wait.
So let me show you. This is gonna be a timed challenge. We'll have like 10 minutes to decorate our cakes to look like each other.
Okay.
But what's not included is we'll open the dolls and I'll teach you how to stack the cake.
Okay.
And then the decorating will be timed.
Okay.
Okay, so first thing we gotta do is open our dolls. Little Justine doll. I got this one because she was blonde. Well, she doesn't have like green eyes. I can fix that. And then mine is, you know, the hair color was similar.
Posable Barbie.
She's very bendable.
She's got a lot of joints.
I mean, she could do all the poses. She's like athletic Barbie or something, but she's a lot taller than I would be.
We can fix that.
You can just chop her off at the heel. Ooh, girl, you're from the Fashionistas line. What other Fashionistas we got in here? Wait, they make a short one? What? Ah! Step one, open these up. Oh no, we're okay, we're okay.
I think I gave you a pedicure.
Okay, this is how you know it's not Justine. She's wearing heels.
Heck no!
Okay, let's get these dolls ready. So we have to take them off because you don't want them to get dirty. And then we pipe on the clothes.
I'm so uncomfortable.
Justine, leave your top one if you could.
Okay,
please.
I will.
Please.
Sorry.
Dolls are out of the box. They are ready. I'm gonna set these to the side. And now let's assemble these cakes. So in front of us, we've got two turntables. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
No microphone.
We've got two spatulas, lots of different icings here, different colors, and we've each got 3 cakes. Oh, and different colors of fondant. That smell good. Yeah, girl. That's a nice butter yellow cake. Flip it upside down. Take this white icing over here, and you just pipe all the way around. Yes, yes, yes. That I'm so proud.
Thank you.
I am so proud right now. Take your little spatula and ready, just gentle like this. And girl, this is Swiss buttercream frosting.
Yeah?
This is fancy. This was made over a double broiler.
Really?
And whisked, hand whisked for 8 minutes over a double broiler. This is the good stuff.
Got time for that?
This is good.
Good thing you guys made it already.
Yeah, I made it for you. Okay, take your second cake and then you stack it upside down again. Beautiful. And then one more layer of icing.
All right.
Spin around.
I haven't done baking videos in a while. I miss it.
Yes, I'll get you back into. And this just goes straight up and down. Boop. Just like that. Nestle right in there.
Wow.
So girl, our cakes are stacked and this is where the challenge begins. We're gonna do 10 minutes on the clock. We are each gonna decorate these princess cakes to look like each other.
Oh,
I'm gonna make Justine Princess.
I'm gonna make Rosanna Princess, but I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm so sorry.
I have an idea and in my head it's really cute, but I don't know what it's gonna look like timed.
Oh boy.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
On your mark, get set, decorate.
Okay. Oh, wait, when do I put her in?
I'm gonna start with decorating you. Now, usually I do like most of it and then put the doll in, but this time I'm starting with the dolls.
I'm going to start at the bottom and then I'm gonna be here. I like to use Drake as a reference in my life.
I can't even open my fondant.
Is this what I'm supposed to do? Oh gosh, I don't know. This is
need-
my first princess cake. I'm so excited.
This is your first one? And
Yes.
oh no, it's timed. If you can do this in a rush, you can do this anytime.
Oh geez, I'm just not sure about it.
And I'm not
Hey,
sure.
what's your favorite color?
My favorite color?
This is a really hard question.
It changes all the time.
What is your favorite color today?
It changes like all the time. And people always tell me black's not a color.
It is a shade.
It's a shade. Everyone tells me that. It's not a color, it's a shade.
They tell me that too.
Okay, wait. I think like right now I'm really feeling yellow.
Okay.
And it's like the color of sunshine and lemons.
All right.
I'm basically a fashion designer right now. I'm creating your outfit. It's your next red carpet look.
Oh, lovely. I try to avoid those.
So I
Anytime
like-
there's movie premieres, I'm like, oh, I like to go to movies and wear my sweatpants.
I'm spending all my time designing your top.
I'm gonna do that last. Hope you didn't need any yellow.
Oh no.
Because it's gone.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Justine, I'm like really proud of you right now.
Thank you.
You're using the turntable.
I was Googling how to use fondant and your video showed up.
Really?
Yes!
Do you know that the only reason I know how to use my phone is because of this girl
Oh
right
my
here?
goodness, this is great.
You teach me the technologies, I'll teach you the baking. It's time to create your dress.
I've got to make your outfit.
Oh, I'm nervous I won't have enough time for accessories.
Oh no!
I've got to get the accessories in there. Quick. We got this. What you need?
The black fondant. Just
Fondant.
a little chunk.
Here,
Just
here.
a little tiny chunk. would
Here
be
for you,
Great,
for you.
thank you.
Oh, speed anything is so hard. Our pancake art challenge was so hard for me.
Me too.
Usually I do a great job at that, but no,
love
not
that
timed.
video.
Oh no, this is leaking all over me. I'm unsure about everything I just did here. I had an idea, and I'm not sure if it's worked out.
Do I just jam this in here?
Yeah.
So,
I don't know if I have enough icing.
I'm loving it!
Okay, I'm not looking.
I'm
getting really
loving
excited.
what's going on here.
5 minutes left.
No, I'm not ready.
No. The cake is not done, and I don't have any accessories. Oh no. I need to get you an accessory.
Yes.
I need to make you something. What color is your phone?
Pink.
Pink?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, geez. Your phone is gonna be a marbled look.
I like that.
Okay.
What?
Where is there a white fondant anywhere?
Justine.
Justine.
Oh my gosh, I was stealing it.
It literally is in your lap.
It is in my lap. It's nice
Oh my
and warm.
gosh. Okay, this can.
Wow, is that icing a freaking delight?
Isn't it great?
Wow.
Gonna stick you in here.
1 minute.
Oh, I'm almost ready.
Oh, I gotta connect you. You're not connected.
Oh my god, this icing
You're
is
not.
so incredible.
You're not connected.
I'm done.
It's like you're done.
I'm done.
Oh my gosh! Wait for me.
I am so excited about what I
Oh my gosh!
made.
Wait for me. Okay, we're gonna have to do purple back here because I ran out of icing.
I love purple. That's also my favorite color. I'm not looking.
Okay, don't look.
5.
No.
That's a really great color though.
2.
I love it.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, hands are up. Let's go wash our hands
Okay.
and then we'll reveal our cakes. Okay, now we're ready for the big reveal. Turn these around.
Look at this. This looks so good.
So cute.
I'm actually surprised. We did a really good job.
I love yours. This is me. Look at this pineapple dress.
And I got a little beach scene here at the bottom. Like,
Just
so I had you holding your hair up just so that I could put the icing, but then I was like, this is actually a
Like,
real row like pose. You
I
know?
do that all the time. I'm like, oh, hey, girl.
Well, this is supposed to be a chocolate chip cookie bra.
Is that what? I didn't know.
Yeah.
I didn't know if it was like a polka dot bikini.
No, that was supposed to be chocolate chip cookies, but I couldn't find a brown, and then I was just like, that's fine. It's like a dark chocolate
I'm
chip.
loving this look. I actually want to hire a designer to make this a dress.
You should do that.
And
for
I'll be
sure.
like, Justine designed it originally. We're just gonna put it in clothing form.
Then I
And
want
that's it.
this dress.
Look at this. It's a pink camo dress. I thought this is so you.
I love it so much. Like this, I will go to a red carpet if I can wear that.
Look at that.
And I've got a little bow.
Yeah, it's kind of marbled, so sorry. It's because when I was putting it in your hand, I dropped it on the dress. But also, Justine, look down on the ground and look who's down there.
Maddie!
It's Maddie!
That's my dog! Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, he's so cute. Let me see him again. He's
Isn't he
standing
cute?
around.
He's not perfect, not perfectly like Maddie, but he's got the floppy ears.
He does. He's got a
And
little-
he's like a little white fluffy thing.
He's so sweet.
If you guys didn't know, Justine has a dog and he's white and his name is Maddie. DJ Maddie. He also DJs.
Yeah.
Way more talented than Cookie, but don't tell Cookie that.
Yeah, she didn't.
Cookie,
hear
don't
it.
watch this video. Earmuffs, honey. She's just a sweet pea who likes treats. Let us know in the comments below who you think won this challenge, but I personally think that we both did a really good job. Like, I
think so
feel
too.
like this is my spirit animal. Like, this is my spirit outfit.
It's
and
great.
this is your spirit outfit.
is.
I didn't have time to make you a crown,
That's okay.
but I was hoping you'd forgive me.
It's all is forgiven because I have an iPhone, which
I
is perfect.
started with the most important accessories for
dog
you.
and phone.
But look at Justine, she created a whole scenery. She has beach vibes, she has the ocean. Like, I'm a little pineapple. And look at this, I missed a spot.
It's okay.
Oh, all right, that does it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be putting links down below to Justine's channels because she's amazing and awesome, and we love her. And look at this!
I love it so much. These both turned out so well.
I love them so much. I'll also put a link down below if you're interested in the Princess Cake Pan where you can find it. And don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. All right, bye you guys.
Bye.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Or up there. Or up here. Or there. Or there. Can you imagine if you had an edible dress?
I'd be naked.